Hello friends and welcome to your favorite YouTube channel iTech World. In today's video, I'm going to provide another test answers of well prestigious essay writing website Edudorm. Try to watch this video thoroughly so you can get all of your ideas cleared. Keep in mind you have to pass this test with 100% accuracy. If you commit even a single mistake, you are going to get your account blocked instantly. Okay. फ्रेंड्स आज फिर मैंने आपको एक बहुत बड़ी ऐसी रेटिंग वेबसाइट जो एडुडॉर्म है उसका टेस्ट नंबर 2 के आंसर्स प्रोवाइड कर रहा हूं। जैसा कि मैंने आपको प्रीवियस वीडियो में इस वेबसाइट एडुडॉर्म का डिटेल से रिव्यू दिया था, आपको अकाउंट कैसे क्रिएट करना, इस पर साइन अप कैसे होना ये सिखाया था। फिर मैंने आपको टेस्ट नंबर 1 के आंसर्स प्रोवाइड किए थे। चूंकि इस वेबसाइट पे जो इंग्लिश का टेस्ट है उसमें 100% एक्यूरेसी रिक्वायर्ड है, तो आप एक भी मिस्टेक करते हो तो आपका अकाउंट वहां पे ब्लॉक हो जाता है। तो मैंने प्रीवियस वीडियो में आपको जो पूरे के पूरे टेस्ट के आंसर प्रोवाइड किए थे और अब मैं आज इस वीडियो में टेस्ट नंबर 2 के आंसर प्रोवाइड कर रहा हूँ। जब भी आप टेस्ट दोगे तो उसमें डिफरेंट एमसीक्यूज होंगे, तो हम इसमें इसके तमाम के तमाम जो क्वेश्चन है एमसीक्यूज हैं उनको 3 या 4 वीडियोस में कवर करने की कोशिश करेंगे ताकि आप मुकम्मल तौर पे तैयारी कर सको। उसके बाद जब भी आप टेस्ट देने लगो आप आसानी ये टेस्ट क्लियर कर लो। ओके, I shall provide you complete answers of these MCQs in the coming videos as well, and I will try my level best to cover all of these MCQs in the coming 2 or 3 videos, so you can pass this test quite easily. Okay, so let's get started. In today's test we have got first quiz: put the suitable quantifiers as determiners in the blanks. Timothy is rather unpopular and has few friends in the club. You have got option number 2 as a correct option. Okay, this one is the correct option. Okay, now come to quiz number 2. Complete the following sentences using the correct quantifiers. I have a little money that we can spend today. A little, this is the correct option. Okay, so come to quiz number 3. Write the correct modal verb in the blank spaces. If I were you, I would sell this car. So we have got 4 options: think, guess, would, and choose. This one would be the correct option. If I were you, I would sell this car. Is that clear? Now come to quiz number 4. Complete the missing word by putting the correct future perfect tense. The coach will have chosen the team by tomorrow. You have got this word as a verb choose. Okay, and you know we will have to make the use of will have and past participle in future perfect tense. So this one would be the correct option. The coach will have chosen the team by tomorrow. Okay, now let's move to the next one. Quiz number 5. Choose the most suitable coordinating conjunctions to complete the sentence. You may choose to take the big one or the small one. This one is the correct option. Okay, option number 3 is the best choice here. Now let's move to the next one. Choose the correct words from the ones provided to fill in the blank spaces with descriptive adjectives. We watched a thrilling football match between Arsenal and Liverpool. This one is the best choice. Thrilling. Okay. Now move to the next one. Choose the most suitable adverb from the box to modify the adjective. The sea is rather calm. This one is the most accurate option. The sea is rather calm. Okay. Keep in mind you have to attempt this test with 100% accuracy. Okay, you can't commit even a single mistake. So watch this video carefully. Complete the following sentences below by writing the correct collective noun. The hen did not protect her brood of chickens from the crow. This one is the best choice, brood. Is that clear? Now come to the Quiz number 9. Choose the correct missing words in the following sentence. The idea with the middle system of law regulate would be to regulate some matters without making them criminal. Option number 2 is the most accurate choice here. Okay, now move to the next one. Quiz number 10. Fill in the blanks with the suitable conjunctions. There was no water to drink, yet we had floods. Okay, this one is the most suitable option yet. Okay, now move to quiz number 11. Use the most suitable coordinating conjunctions to complete the sentence. She looked too old and wrinkled on the face that one would think she is well over 100. This is the most accurate option. True, okay? This one is the best choice. Okay, now move to question number 12. Choose the most suitable adverb from the box to modify the adjective. We are all deeply concerned about her misconduct. We are all deeply concerned about her misconduct. This one is the most accurate and best choice. Is that clear? Okay, let's move to the next one. Choose a correct sound that the following objects makes. Window swimming, window swinging in the wind. We have got 4 different sounds. Move, bark, rattle, roar. This one is the best choice here. Okay, rattle. This is quite easy. Choose a correct sound that the following object makes. Dry wood burning in the fireplace. Roar, sing, dance, crackle. Okay, this one is the most suitable choice. Crackle, okay. Now move to quiz number 15. Complete the missing word by putting the correct future perfect tense. The farmers will have harvested their crops by the next month. Okay, will have harvested. This would be the most accurate choice here. The farmers will have harvested their crops by next month. Okay, now come to question number 16. Fill in the blank spaces with the suitable preposition of place. The river is flowing under the bridge. This one is the most accurate choice. Under, okay. This is quite easy. Now come to quiz number 17. Choose a correct missing words in the following sentence. There is no limit to variety of places that people work in. This is a correct choice. 2 would be the most accurate option here. Now move to quiz number 18. Fill in the spaces with appropriate adjectival prepositions. Our teachers were all impressed with our performance in the mocks. Option number 2 is the best choice here. Okay, with that would be the most accurate option. Now move to the second last question. Choose a correct preposition from the ones provided and use it to fill the blank spaces. Put the book on the shelf. This one is the most accurate option. Okay, put the big book on the shelf. This one is the best choice. Let's move to the last quiz. Complete the following sentences using the simple future tense. We are going to spend our vacation at the coast. This is the most accurate option. तो स्टूडेंट्स आप जैसा कि आप देखा आपने पिछले टेस्ट में भी इनमें से कुछ कॉमन है, कुछ जो एमसीक्यूज थे हमारे गुज़श्ता टेस्ट में भी आए थे, इसलिए हम 4 से 5 इसको डिफरेंट वीडियोस में इनको कवर करेंगे. जब भी आप टेस्ट देने लगोगे आपको डिफरेंट एमसीक्यूज सॉल्व करना पड़ेंगे. ओके, इनमें से ज़्यादातर कॉमन है, रिपीट होंगे, लेकिन याद रहे कि आपको इस टेस्ट में क्वालिफाई करने के लिए 100% एक्यूरेसी रिक्वायर्ड होती है। ये कदरे एक नई वेबसाइट है, एडुडॉर्म कदरे एक नई वेबसाइट है। इस पर कंपटीशन अभी तक के लिए कम है। ओके, तो अभी आपके लिए ये गोल्डन चांस है। जो दोस्त किसी और वेबसाइट पे अकाउंट नहीं क्रिएट कर पाए, उनके लिए एक बहुत बड़ा मौका है, बहुत बड़ा चांस है। तो वो इस वेबसाइट पे अपना अकाउंट क्रिएट करें, लेकिन इसमें आपको पहले प्रेपरेशन या तैयारी करना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है। इसमें जो सेकंड फेज पे अगर आप इस टेस्ट को क्वालिफाई करते हो, सेकंड फेज पे आपको 30 मिनट्स में एक ऐसे लिखना होता है। उसमें हमने अकाउंट क्रिएट करके देखा, बहुत इजी है। जो बच्चा इस स्टेज को क्वालिफाई कर लेता है तो नेक्स्ट पे वो इतना कंपटीशन नहीं है, वो बहुत इजी है। ओके, तो कोशिश करें, इसको अच्छे से वॉच करो, बार बार देखो, इस टेस्ट को क्वालिफाई करो। ओके, हम नेक्स्ट 2 या 3 मैक्सिमम 3 वीडियोस में हम पूरे पूरे एमसीक्यूज कवर कर लेंगे इंशाल्लाह। ओके, तब इंशाल्लाह आप 100% एक्यूरेसी से अपना अकाउंट क्रिएट कर पाओगे। कोशिश करो, इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब भी कर लें जो न्यू दोस्त हैं, और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर भी किया करो। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, जिसमें मैं आपको एक और टेस्ट के एमसीक्यू सॉल्व करके दूंगा। तब तक के लिए इजाज़त दीजिए। विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट।